All right, guys. Hey, we're back. Just want to give a shout out to the mother channel. Can't really see. Let's get this focus. To the mother channel, which is straight out of content. Merch coming soon. Straight out of content. And again, this is the A2D. Agree to Disagree Boxing Podcast, MMA, sports like that. Again, apologize. It's been crazy, been sick, really bad sick. A lot of issues, stuff like that, running around. I'm running a hospital now. I'm running security for a hospital, so life's been busy. But I promise you, we will be back with that content. Again, you can email us content, and we'll put it on straight out of content on all those social media platforms. So if you got some content, some car content, some sports content, some kids content, shout out to Donovan's Domain. Some workout content, shout out to George over there at Killing It. Everything every day is killing it. George, don't get mad at me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, man. You gotta give me some merch. If I got some merch, then I'll be able to, you know what I mean, to rep it good. But you know what I mean. He's a fitness guru. This man is jacked. So if you want to follow him, all of us will all be linked on the social media. Straight to the Content is a social media platform that I'm building, as well as another app, but I can't speak about that. But Straight to the Content is a social media app that I'm building. That's not like WorldStar, nothing like that. But I do want to host other people's content, but positive content, good content. And it'll always be free. Nothing's going to be charged or anything like that. But you try to post stuff on YouTube and you just don't get seen. I mean, right now, there's everybody posting stuff on YouTube, but you're just not getting views. You know, and because all the big people, they have big $1 million budgets and they're stealing all the views. And 99% chances are their content isn't as good as some of the content that we can create. Stuff like this right here. So let me go ahead and get into it. This is a 2015 Kia Optima driver side mirror replacement video. Please, if you haven't liked, comment, and subscribed before, please do that. Please hit the notification bell. Please hit like, ask all the questions in the world. I might not be able to get to you, but what I'll do is I will read the questions and then I will try to answer them in my next video. So that being said, I need a coffee. Today's a bad day. It's muggy out here. But you guys will be with me every step of the way as I repair this car. So this is for somebody out there who's been victim of an accident that the insurance company on either side did not cover. Okay, so luckily I got lucky. My car, this is easy. This right here comes off, I'm able to replace it, but I'm still gonna show you guys how to do it, okay? So let's start. All right, so chances are there's a little 10 millimeter. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Little plastic piece. Super easy. You see all these wires over here. These wires don't mean anything because they're not attached to the main harness. We got lucky. Some cars, there may be a wire that kind of runs in. That's when you're really messed up. And 99% of the cars, especially that are modern, they don't have that. There's a little tab in here. Okay, let's see. Tabs on the bottom. I've never done this before, okay? So we're also doing this together. Anything I do in this car, we're gonna be doing together. See? Comes right off, right? You don't need to disconnect the negative battery cable or anything like that. I'm not gonna do it. You can if you want to. I'm not gonna do all that. Okay, so now this is basically free to come out. I don't know what this thing right here is. Little tab. Now we're gonna take it off. Chances are it's a 10 millimeter. Let's see, what size do I got right here? I already got 10 millimeter.
Hi, I'm Siri. How can I help you?
One of my other phones, Siri, going off. Siri, hush. Call mom. No, Siri, hush. Stop. I don't know. Got 3 phones. This one, and the iPhones. It's a busy. Oh, I'll answer this later. All right. So this right here. See if I got an extension. Here's a 10 millimeter. I don't have an extension, so I might have to go on my thing. Let's see. Off. Yeah, see, these things have never been removed, so they're nice and loose. This one was loose probably from the accident. This one was loose. And luckily, what is this, a 10? Haha, see? Got one of these. Come on here, peel these off. Boom, boom, boom. And again, this is simple, but as you see, when I set up, and I'll probably time-lapse all those. Make sure you keep your bolts. I mean, you don't need all three. It'll definitely stay on without them, but let's try to keep all the bolts. Now this last one, you're gonna wanna stand up and hold it. I got a long arm, so I can hold it from the other side while I pull it off. It's already becoming super loose. Push this little tab. Of course, it's going to give you some problems. It's never been removed before. Kids going by. Okay. Now I'm going to push in this tab with a screwdriver. This tab doesn't want to come out. There we go. There we go. There we go. There's a little tab right there. It has a little screw on it. This little thing right here. That was a little buddy. Let's see. This little turd right here was the thing giving me all the problems. But you see, this is it. People. All right, I'm gonna go get the other one, put this on. It's a pretty easy, a 5-minute fix. So if you ever have this type of issue, the dealer, if I took this to the insurance company, they'd probably charge me a few $100s on my, on my adjustment or whatever. That's good if the other person's paying, fine. If the other person's paying, fine, but he's not paying. So, sometimes you gotta take your wins with your losses. That's it. I'm gonna wipe my hands. My thumbs are dirty. All right. Oh, excuse me. All right, this is the brand new one. Like I said, it's black. It looks like it's painted black. So like I said, your car is black, you're lucky. You can get these on Amazon. I'll try to put a link to the description below. I don't have any affiliation with Amazon, or I don't have a store with them or anything like that. So if you get it there, it's on you. I'm not benefiting from it, but this is the best price. I tried to find one at my local LKQ. I swear they tried to charge me $125. I didn't see one under $100. And I'm talking about used, not even brand new. So for this to be under 60 bucks, brand new off of Amazon, a direct replacement with the, so it's not automatic folding, which mine weren't anyway, and I didn't care. Just as long as I can change this, that's all I care about. So it's the same exact things. So slide it in. This one does come with this, but it's a little different. It's not as long, but I don't care. Line everything up. Bam, perfect fit. Squeeze it tight. Grab a nut and put them on. Now before you tighten it down too much, you want to make sure that it works. I think I left my key in here, but I'm pretty sure it works. Plug fits. Let's go ahead and insert the plug. Okay. Go ahead and start the car. All right, guys. Let's see if it works. Let's turn that down because, YouTube likes to charge people. I don't own the rights to that song. There we go. Let's see it working, guys. Bam. It's working. All right, so that's step one to installing a side view driver's side. And again, it's the same process on the other side. I'm about to be rolling different. Got the white over there, got the black over there. You know, my car is interracial like my daughter. So, all right, guys. You basically seen it. I don't need to do all the rest, you know, putting it back in, putting the clip back on. You guys kind of got all that. So with that being said, it's working. Everything's working fine. Please stay tuned for all the future videos. We are gonna really make this car look crazy. Because I live in Houston, I probably won't drop the car because of so much rain. My driveway has a big dip. Let's turn this down. Crazy. See, my driveway has a crazy dip, so getting in and out of my driveway wouldn't be good. So I'm not gonna do all that. And like I said, I'm in Houston. So everyone know, oh, look how dark I am. What the hell? Let's go ahead and lighten that up. All right, damn. Trying to play me. So, yeah. So, with that being said, I'm probably not going to drop it. What I'm probably going to do is definitely put the wheels on there. I'm probably going with 20. But I'm not going with rubber band tires. The roads out here, I drive this car. I really do drive it. So I'm looking for a really good ride. So I'm going to keep the suspension. I might upgrade the shocks to be just better or something like that, or the struts to a better quality strut. But outside of that, it's really going to be more cosmetic. I am going to do the muffler delete. It's a common thing on this car. I don't want it too loud. I just want just a little different noise. I don't race. I don't do anything like that. But again, I'm looking for that more VIP look. I'm going to go with the pearl white, blacked out hood accent. Definitely full blacked out roof. And I don't know about the trunk yet. Leave comments in below whether or not I should do the trunk. These cars look really nice when they're done right. It already get a lot of lights and stuff like that just by blacking out the window. So I know this car has a lot of potential. So I'm not going to let that man out there. You know who you are. You know who you are. You know. Anyway, you know who you are. You know what you did. So it's okay. With the support of my followers and stuff like that, we're gonna fix this car. We're gonna make it look crazy. All right, guys. This is Carl's Garage, straight out of content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please stay tuned for our future videos. Peace.